Connecting to a cellular network on a cruise ship. I'm currently cruising around New Zealand on the NCL Jewel. When I got on deck, I could see that I had cellular coverage with 5 bars, but there was no data. So what that told me, I think, was that I was connected to the ship's cellular network. But you've got to remember that it's $5 a minute to make a call. So I have, and I was talking to a fellow passenger, we've got New Zealand SIM cards and we're just off the coast. In fact, I can see an island right now. So what you have to do is to go to Settings, Wireless and Networks, Mobile Data, Carrier, or it could be under Advanced, disconnect, turn off automatic, the trouble is when you do it manually, it connects to the ship's cellular network. So you turn it off and then it'll search and find the onshore cellular towers. Takes a wee minute. So basically when you get on deck, you'll see you've got cellular coverage, but if it's 5 bars, it probably means it's the ship's cellular network and it won't give you any data. So you need to go to Settings, Wi-Fi, Mobile Network, Carrier, or it could be under Advanced, and get it to search for the on-land cellular towers. Right, so here we go. So I'm on 2 degrees, so I can go 2 degrees 4G. Immediately you'll see up top that I now have cellular coverage. So now if I use my browser, I can go to somewhere like fast.com. It's ticking over. There it is. So even though we're a few miles off the coast, I can't see the mainland. I can just see a little island. And it's not fantastic. At least I have cell phone coverage from the ship to the shore and some data. So I should be able to use something like Facebook. So there we go, Facebook is working. So it means I don't have to sign up for the ship's Wi-Fi at $29 a day. It means that while I'm at sea and reasonable thing off the coast, hang on, I can see some land now. So I might be another island. So it doesn't look like we're actually far off the coast. When I get to Australia, I will simply switch over to my Telstra SIM card, although I have to top it up first. But if it was topped up, you can, when you get into Australian waters, you could just flick over to your Telstra or whatever you're using in Australia, and you could have the same system. So it works.